Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align to selection in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software, then open your document. Now I am firstly go to the type tool and drag and insert the text box and click right on your mouse and click fill with placeholder text. Now I am again go to the file, click place. Now I am insert a picture and select the picture and click OK and drag and place this picture. Then firstly select the text box and press Ctrl Shift on your keyboard and click this picture. Now we can see here are the align to selection menu. Then click align left, align horizontally centers, align right, align top, align vertically centers, align bottom, it's easy, etc. Now select the two text box and on picture, then align horizontally. Now you can see align to selection in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.